morning everyone. Today we are going to learn the topic learning the game. The very interesting topic, it is learning the game. Author of this lesson is Sachin Tendulkar. Before going to the topic, let us discuss about the author of this lesson. The full name of the Sachin Tendulkar is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He was born on 24th April 1973. In Mumbai at Maharashtra. He is a former Indian cricketer and the captain, widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketer of all time. He is a cricket player as well as he is a captain of our Indian team, and he is widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketer of all time. He is famous forever. If we talk about Sachin Tendulkar, he is an evergreen favorite player for so many people. He made an impact in cricket from the very early age, displaying the prodigious talent. The world famous cricketer had set many records in his career. We should not say it is a career, it is a career. And it is considered as one of the greatest batsmen of all the time. So, he is the greatest batsman. He is famous for batting. So, there is a two type. Some people they used to bowl very well. Some people they used to bats very well. So, he is a batsman. He is the only player to score 100 international centuries and first to score double century in one day international. So, in one day international score had scored double century, and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. He played 664 international cricket match in totally scoring 34,357 runs. In 2012, Tendulkar was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He retired from the cricket on 16th November 2013. Learning the game is an extract from the autobiography Play It My Way. So, it is extract. Extract means there is a very big story or the screenwrite or playwright. If we take a part, that is called extract. We will take a little part from that, that is extract. See, let us go to the topic, what he said about himself. It is a what Sachin Tendulkar is saying, it is like a monologue. He speaks about himself. It is taken from his autobiography. Do you know the difference between biography and autobiography? Biography means the people will write about others, that is called biography. The lifestyle of the life story of somebody, that is called biography. If we write about ourselves, if I write about my life when I born up to my what are the achievement I did, that is called autobiography. So, Sachin himself he had written the autobiography in the name of Playing It My Way. So, from that we had taken this lesson learning the game, how he is learned the game. Okay. Let us see. From the very early age, I played tennis ball, cricket with my colony friends. So, at the very young age, you people are also used to play cricket from your childhood itself. The same way he also playing cricket and tennis ball from his very young age. In a very small age itself he started to play cricket with his colony friends. How we are playing with our friends, likewise he also used to play cricket at a very young age. I loved watching cricket on television and in our game I often try to emulate the mannerism of my favorite player. See, he not only interested in playing cricket with his colony friends, even he loved watching cricket in a televisions also. The same way, you often try to emulate means when we imitate some qualities from our teachers or someone. If I often used to imitate the qualities of my own teacher, how they teach lesson. The same way, if you like some heroes, heroines, we used to like to dress up like them, or we have a dialogues we will speak like them. The same way, he also match some mannerism of his favorite players, like Sunil Gavaskar, the West Indian legend, Vivid Richard. But it was not the batsmen that I studied. They are batsmen. He not only studied about the batsmen, how to bat, the tactics of batting the cricket. I also loved bowling. He also loved bowling, how to bowl the ball. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the net. So, throughout his career, he had used to bowl the ball in the nets. Net you often used to see in the matches for the practice, they used to tie a net in a square shape and they will practice inside the net, not in the ground. I was then studying in the New English School, Mumbai, but my brother Ajit knew the compared to the other schools in Mumbai, Sardasham Vidya Mandir, where the name of the school is Sardashram Vidya Mandir. This school is situated in Mumbai, Vidya Mandir. Okay, Sardashram Vidya Mandir. Here there is a coach, his name is Ramkar Achikar. His name is Ramkar Achikar. He was a cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of the cricket. So, he is a coach there, he used to give importance for the cricket. He ran summer camp too. He is also running a summer camp there. The people during the vacation, holiday, summer holiday, they will run a camp. Whoever want to join from the various school, let them go and join there. See, Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. So, his brother Ajit, he took Sachin Tendulkar with him to the camp, and what happened? To play there. But then it was up to the sir to decide to accept. So, the sir, he is a person who have to accept whether he have to join the Sachin Tendulkar in this camp or not. The only person he has the right to join. I was 11 years old then. At the time when his brother Ajit took Sachin to the camp, the age is only 11 years. He used to go to 5th or 6th standard. Achikar, sir, as I referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943. Which is the age I was, then I went to him for the first time. At the age, the sir also he started playing at the age of 11 in 1943. In the same age, he also went there for the camp. I had never batted in the net before, felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. So, he had explained us at the beginning, he used to play cricket only with the colony friends at the road. He had not known how to play in the net. At the first time, the coach had given opportunity for him to play in the net. He had no confidence at all, he feel uncomfortable to play there. With sir watching me so closely, I failed to make an impact. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was little older. So, what happened? He had not performed well, Sachin had not performed well. So, the coacher called his brother Ajit and informed him that he is too young. So, at this age, he can't able to perform well. So, he asked him to bring him back If we go little older, it means konja valanda piravu. After reaching some maturity, let him come back. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure, but for Ajit's insistence, if Ajit had not insisted him to join in the camp, Sachin Tendulkar said that he went into the Mumbai cricket circuit itself. He will miss the chance to play cricket. Having seen me playing in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in the front of Achigar sir. So, Achigar had because of the uncomfortable, and if we do something, if someone is watching us, we can't do that properly because of the shyness. The same way, because of his shyness and uncomfortable feeling, he had missed to perform well in the net. So, his brothers knows about him very well. So, he know that he can perform well. Who knows very well? Ajit knows very well about Sachin talent, because he had observed him so many times how he was playing cricket. So, he explained that he was nervous and asked the sir to give me one more opportunity. So, on behalf of Sachin, Ajit is requesting the sir to give one more opportunity for him to perform. Sir should pretend to go away and then watch from the distance. So, they are, because of his requisition, they asked the sir to go far away to watch him, not very closely to watch. If while we are writing the exam, someone come and note their head and they see what we are writing, immediately our pen will get struck. We won't write anything. The same way, they asked him to go far away. He agreed. Sir agreed. Before long, I asked him to bat again, and without sir trained eyes scrutinizing me. Scrutinizing means we will use to see what is happening very clearly, that is scrutinizing, with keen observation, that is scrutinizing. So, the sir, he knows about the tactics how to play. Without the watching of the sir's eyes, he went out and he is from the far distance simply is watching what he is doing. In the same way, he started move from the play. So, I thought I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. So, he is thinking no one is around us, so we are the king of the court. So, he started hitting the ball. This time sir agreed to let me join the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. So, at the time the sir agreed, by seeing his performance, sir agreed to join him in the camp. Whom? Sachin. So, now he is feeling that this opportunity, the chance which is provided by the coach, this transformed his life. If he don't get the chance to play in that camp, what will happen? He won't be trained well. So, this makes him to have a turning point in his life. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. So, the camp, they have a session. Session means the time duration for playing. So, they have every morning as well as they have every evening at Shivaji Park. Shivaji Park is a place where he is giving he is giving the coaching for the people, those who are playing cricket. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So, you have a morning session, this is 7:30 to 10:30. Then I did come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. So, after coming that, then evening you have a practice up to the late evening. The schedule was vigorous. How the schedule was? It's very tight. He won't find any time. He won't find to take rest. And I would be exhausted by the end of the day. For playing so too long duration, his energy dropped and he feel exhausted. There is no energy, drained. The energy was completely drained. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra. He is in Bandra, and the place where he has to go for the coaching, it is at Shivaji Park. It hardly take 40 minutes for traveling. If you want to travel for 40 minutes, before half an hour we have to get out from the house. So, it will take nearly 1 to 1.5 hours for him to travel. I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. So, when he want to reach there at 7:30, before 1 hour he has to get out from their home. The traveling time will be 40 hours. So, nearly 1 hour 50 minutes he have to get ready. So, he have to take the early morning bus. From the first few days Ajit accompanied him. So, first few days when we want to go for the new place, what happened, even he is 11 years old, so definitely his brother accompanied him. So, the same way his brother took him only for the few days. What happened after that, to get me used to the routine. So, after that he started to go by himself, routine work he started to do. During the bus journey, he would talk to me about the nuisance of the batting, and always enjoyed this conversation a lot. So, while traveling, his brother used to taught him what is the things, how to bat and what are the things are there in the batting. They both used to converse each other. That he liked, enjoyed very much. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. Throughout his career, in his whole life, he used to think, remember what are the things his brother taught him about the batting. It serves as very personal coaching manual. It makes him to feel where personally he had trained him. It helps him a lot in the future. As a child, I had only one set of the cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I did return from the morning session. So, very soon after returning from the morning session from 7:30 to 10:30, he had to take 40 minutes bus travel. After that, as soon as he have only one set of cloth, so as soon as he have to wash that cloth. While I have my lunch, my clothes could dry up in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. See how terribly life they are led. See, after that, while taking the lunch, it will take half an hour. Within that time duration, his dress has to get dried. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of cloth the following morning. The same thing he used to do in the evening also. He used to come after the late evening, then he have to wash the cloth, then he have to dry it up, then the next day he have to wear the same cloth because he has only one set of the cloth. The system worked well apart from my pocket. The system worked well, only his packet is still wet. There was never quite enough time for the pocket to dry out completely. You don't have a time, sufficient time to make his pocket to dry out. And for the entire duration of the camp, I played with wet pocket. See, during the whole camp, he used to play only with his wet pocket because he has only one set of the clothes as well as he have no time to make them to get dry. But the middle of the summer camp, the sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and the end of the 2 months informed Ajit that I had a potential to be the good cricketer. What happened? See, so now the coacher, he started giving more importance for Sachin's batting. He started training him in a good way, and he had called his brother and informed that he have a very good potential. Potential means the capacity. He can able to become a good cricketer. If I practice all year round, if he practice the whole year, not only in the summer camp, you have to practice well for the whole year, then he can become a good cricketer. See, however, my school, a new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and the sir was keen for me to change the school if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. He is studying in New English School. It is situated near his own native, that is in Bandra, and there is no cricket facilities are available in that particular school. So, now the sir, he is keen for me to change the school. He is insisting him to change the school, because if you want to do seriously, if you want to practice cricket, better you can change the school. So, what happened? One evening, sir called my father, put forward his suggestion. So, the next one evening, sir, coacher, he had called Sachin father and give the suggestion to him to change the school. Ajit was in the room with my father at the time, and they both accepted that it was a necessary if the cricket was to be my priority. So, they both are accepted, his brother Ajit as well as his father, because they need Sachin to become a cricketer. What is priority? Which we want to do, give more important, that is priority. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objection of my changing school. So, his father had not given any objection, he had not refused him. He said, okay, better he can change the school because of the welfare of the Sachin. I should do so only if I really serious about playing cricket. The only one thing, whether Sachin has to decide he want to play cricket or not. That is also in a serious way. Sincerely you have to play the cricket. I assured him I was, so it was agreed that I would move to Sardashram Vidya Mandir, where Achigal sir was a cricket coach. On all my excess energy was getting channelized into the cricket, which act as a kind of safety wall. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was to give it best effort without worrying about the result. So, he had changed the school, now he is channelizing all his energy only to play cricket. So, he is concentrating more on play cricket. His father had given him a very good advice. What it is? It means you have to do well, whatever may be. If you are studying, we have to study well, but we should not bother about the result. Whether we are get failed or get passed or scored good or scored less, it does not matter. What are the things we are doing, that we have to do the best. We have to give the best. In my first year at Sardashram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. In 60 days, he had given 55 matches. Only 5 days he had taken rest. My summer session used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. So, the summer camp they had started after 1 year. What is the vigorous schedule they have? Previously used to go 7:30 to 10:30, that is morning session. Again they continue for the evening session. Here there is a no break. It starts from the morning 7:30 till it's continue up to 4:30. My evening session could start at 5. Imagine how you have only half an hour break. The next section begins at the 5 o'clock. After 30 minutes break, during the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav. Vada pav is a dish which is famous in Mumbai. What they had cut the bread, but not bread, it's in the shape of bun. They will cut into two, and in between that they will place a vada which is made up of potato. Okay. This is a famous dish in Mumbai. If you go there, you definitely have to taste it. Between 5 and 7, I have 5 more net sessions. Between 5 to 7, in the 2 hours, you have a 5 more net sessions. He used to play there. Towards the last 15 minutes, sir would place a 1 rupee coin at the top of the stump, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. In the session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. So, in that 2 hours, the sir, at the last 2 hours, the last 15 minutes, sir used to place 1 rupee coin at the stem, where the Sachin is batting. At the stem, nearly 17 boys, they do the fielding, they will bowl. At the time, the 1 rupee coin should not fall down. If it's fall, it goes to them. If it's not fall, it's for Sachin. This test is for only 15 minutes for every session of his evening session, that is from 5 to 7. So, it takes place at exactly at 6:45. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me the immense satisfaction and taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. So, you have to imagine he used to come at 7:30 till he is playing 4:30, then half an hour break. From 5:30 again he has a match in the net practice, then up to 6:45. You imagine whether we can able to do? No, all he is physically drained. Even though why he is get success of not making the coin to fell down. At the end of it all, sir would tell me to run to the full circuit of the Shivaji Park with my pad and the gloves on. So, with the gloves and the pad, you used to see in the televisions that they used to wear the pad on their leg and the gloves on their hands. Without removing that, he had to go round of the full Shivaji Park 2 rounds. That was the last part of my training, and I did be completely exhausted by the end it all. So, that is the last training for the day. Every day at the last he used to drained, there is no energy at all, he is exhausted, there is no more, we can't able to take even one step, he was exhausted. It was a routine and I would repeat right through my summer holiday. It helped me to build a physical and mental stamina. By doing this again and again throughout the summer camp, it's developed the stamina even for the mentally as well as for the physically. These exercises, the practice which you used to run across the ground as well as the concentration of not falling the coin down, this both makes him to develop the mental and physical stamina. Occasionally, my father came to take me home, and I would usually ask him to treat me a special fruit cocktail at the juice center near the club. Where they are playing near that club, his father occasionally means rarely, his father used to take him to the home. At the time, he asked his father to give a treat, ask him to provide some cocktail. Cocktail is a type of juice, it's a mixture of fruits. Even in foreign countries and all, they used to mix with the alcohol. It depends on the what type of ingredients they are using. Here it's a special fruit cocktail. So, mixture of various fruits like our fruit juice which we are drinking. Not only one, it's a combination of two more fruits will be there. While this regularly demand was a little unreasonable because at the time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the needs of my brothers and sisters. So, often whenever he used to come, he used to ask this cocktail drink. So, he doesn't bothering about the needs has to be fulfilled by his father to his brother and sister. Without worrying that, he often used to ask that. My father could invariably ends up giving me what I wanted just to see me happy. Whatever we ask, definitely every father will fulfill our needs, whether it is can or can't. The only thing all our fathers need, that our child should be happy. The same thing Sachin father also did. He often used to provide him. One other day, when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my own, I did often fall asleep on the bus. If I managed to sit down, anyone who has been Mumbai bus at the peak hours will know just how difficult it is to get a seat. So, you all know, not only in Mumbai, all the city in the peak hours in the morning, while all the people they used to go for the schooling and company office works, in the same way while they are returning to the home, that is very crowded. We can't able to find a seat to sit. Very rare occasion we can find a place to be sit. So, what happened? It's very difficult. We have to imagine. One day when I wasn't so luckily, it was still a challenge just to stand with the kid bag because the bus conductor could inevitably complain about me taking up the space another passenger. So, what happened? You all know how big the kid bag is. It's a long bat will be there and stems all pad, everything has to, it will double the size of the human. Even he is 11 years old, after 1 or 2 years it may be 12 or 13 years old at the time. So, what happened? The kid bag is occupied, the conductor always often used to scold him that he is occupying the another passenger seats also. It could be embarrassing because the conductor were often rude and could sometimes ask me to take 2 tickets. Always the conductor will not be very happy, welcome us, greeted us with smiling faces, because they often used to go here and there in the bus, the crowd will be more, they have to collect the tickets, they have to travel throughout the day under the sun, it's too hot for them. So, they often used to keep their face rude, but you people should not be like that. Okay. So, what happened? This type of conductors, they used to scold him, or sometimes they often ask him to buy 2 tickets for him one and another one for his kid box. I did not have money for the second ticket and I have to learn to take these remarks in my street. The dirty clothes often added to the embarrassment. With time, I evolved my way of grabbing the kid bag around me. So, what happened? He had went for throughout the whole day, he went for the practice, his clothes were dirty. So, he feel embarrassed. Embarrassed means feeling ashamed. He feel shame of his dress. So, what happened? He started holding his bag tightly. Just as an helmet and a pad become a part of me while batting. While batting, he has used to wear the helmet, pad and all. It's become a part. While we have to play the cricket, definitely we have to wear all these things. Likewise, so the kid bag become the extension of me on the bus. Extension means nammaloda extra part. He started thinking that it is a extra part of his own body. He is holding the bag tightly around him. I did often take the bus or the train from the Bandra to Churchgate. It was all the great learning experience. So, he used to go for a long travel from Bandra to Churchgate. Even though I love cricket, there were still occasionally days when playing with me friends at the home and such funs that I could conveniently forgot and I supposed to go to the net. So, he used to play when he was very young, he loved cricket. On some occasion he used to play with his friends by forgetting that he had to go for the net practice also. He totally forgot about what is the main thing. If I did not turn up, Achigar sir could jump on his scooter and come to find me. Sir could spot me in the muley and virtually drag me out, and I could come up with the excuses, but he could have none of it. He could get me to the change and head off to the Shivaji Park. So, if he had not went for the practice, what happened? He himself come with his scooter and drag the Sachin and take him to this Shivaji Park for the practice. On the drive, he would tell me, don't waste your time playing inane games with these kids. Inane means silly games. It's not important. What is the main intention of Sachin? He had to achieve more. So, if we play with the small boys, the untrained boys, what will happen? He will lose the skill. Cricket is waiting for you at the net. Practice hard and see what the magic can transpire. It means he is asking him, don't waste your time with this innocent silly boys to play with these kids. Instead of that, you practice well, work hard in the net. So, definitely it will bring a magic. Transpire means what it come to know, who you are, what you are going to achieve. We need to have proper career orientation. Your personality play an important role in choosing the type of career you want. So, the first thing what we are going to do in our future, that according to that orientation, according to that we have to work, that we have to play a important role. Choose something you enjoy and really want to do and you will be succeed. What we have to do, that we have to choose and we have to enjoy. Really we have to enjoy that, then only we can achieve the success. The same thing, if you want to become something good in your life, you have to enjoy it, really heartfully you have to enjoy, then only we can achieve. At the time I hated being dragged off, but I look back, I feel sheepish about my action and can only admire Achigar sir far-sightedness. So, what happened? He is playing with the friends and wasting his time, that he feel bored. Even the coach, he have a far-sightedness. It means he is thinking about this future. What will? Sir also punished me on one occasion when trying to teach me an important lesson. So, at one day he had punished him. What is the punishment he had given to him? Let us see. Once I bunked my daily evening practice to watch the inter-school cricket match, not participating that the sir could be there. See, what happened? One day he bunked the class. Bunked means we are not protesting, we are not attending the class. So, one day he had bunked the classes in the evening practice and he went to watch the inter-school matches. Okay. Not anticipating that the sir would be there, he had not expected that sir will be there. What happened? He was angry and he said, it wasn't for me to come and watch other people play for. If I practice hard enough, one day people across the world could come and watch me play. So, he is telling it is not a thing he is supposed to do. If he practiced well, across the world the people will come and see what you are playing. Had it not been for sir, I would not be a cricketer. If sir is not there, definitely he won't become a good cricketer. I turned out to be. He was a strict disciplinary and did everything he would for me. I owe myself to him. I respect, I bow, I show my respect to him. So, if the sir is not there, definitely Sachin won't become a good cricketer. This same way, whatever difficulties are there in our life, this is a milestone. We should not think that is a barrier. We should not afraid of the struggles. So, we have to come across all the difficulties, then only we can able to get success. Like Sachin, we also become a good personality in our future. I wish you all the best.